It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, Power Rangers Ninjetti. In this video series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own Power Rangers Ninjetti cosplay from the 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie. This video is part 5 of the series, and we're going to be wrapping everything up by making the power coin. You can follow along with this tutorial to make the White Ranger or any of the other Rangers. If you enjoy my videos and my tutorials, please remember to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Let's gather our supplies and let's get to it. Start by printing out your power coin and cutting it out. Use an Xacto knife to cut out all the details. Trace your power coin and all the details onto worbla black art or EVA foam. For my power coin, I'm using worbla black art because I like how you can do a lot of details with the worbla black art. Start assembling your power coin by gluing the wings into position and using a carving tool or an Xacto knife to carve the details of the wings. If you're using worbla black art, you can continue to use your heat gun to heat up the worbla and carve the detail into place. And once it cools down, it'll harden and the details will stay where you carved them. Next, I'm putting the eagle head into place and carving in the details of the eagle head. This process will take a while, so just be patient and take your time to get all the details right the way you want them to look, for them to look as accurate as the art. It took me about 30 minutes to get all the details done, but once you get it done, it will look like this. Next, cut out a circle of EVA foam so that you can glue your detailed piece on top of this EVA foam circle. I'm using a lighter to smooth out the edges of my circle. After that, you want to cut a long strip of EVA foam that's about 1/4 inch thick. Measure around the circle to see how much length you need. Glue everything together. Glue the detail piece on top of the EVA foam circle base. And glue the strip of EVA foam around the outside of the detail piece. After that's done, put about 2 or 3 coats of wood glue on everything. Let the glue completely dry and set in between coats. I think I used 3 coats altogether. Next, you want to paint your coin gold and glue it on top of your tallbird. I use gold spray paint for my power coin. And then I used contact cement to glue it into place. Once you have it glued into place, it will look like this. And there you have it. Your Ninjetti cosplay is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you did. Please remember to follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook, and send me a picture of your progress or your complete Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Ninjetti cosplay. I would love to see your photos. Always remember, adventure awaits, so get out into the world and explore. I'll see you next time. Peace.